If you don't like slow talks but still love F1, then buckle up for this ride through history. Let's start in 1950, the birth of F1. Back then, races were all about guts and glory. Skip to the 70s when slick aerodynamics changed everything. By the 80s, turbocharged engines roared onto the scene, pushing speeds to new heights. The 90s brought in safety innovations like the HANS device, saving lives on the track. Fast forward to the 2000s, it's the era of technological wizardry with hybrid engines. And now, the 2020s, where sustainability meets speed with fully electric F1 cars on the horizon. From raw power to cutting-edge technology, F1 is always evolving. Ready for the next lap? Keep watching F1 for more high-octane history.